Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the ginger pumpkin soup. For this, I've taken a tawa along with some butter, added some chopped onions, and nicely saute it. Once the onions are fried, I take some nicely cut pumpkins and saute it along with the onions on the tawa. Now I take some ginger which is chopped and add it to this. To this, I'll add half a cup of water and allow it to cook by closing the tawa. Here you can see now that the vegetables have nicely been cooked. I take this separately and get my mixer jar ready. I add all the cooked vegetables to the mixer jar and nicely make a paste out of it. Now this paste, I take it on the tawa and allow it to cook. To this I add some salt as per taste and then add half a glass of milk. I then add some powdered pepper and top it up with some cream. Our ginger pumpkin soup is ready to be had.